marry someone who is not very religious, but that person have good character, conduct respectful, and does major obligation of deen, like salah, zakah, but not very religious. If you ask, يعني, the marriage is valid, the marriage is valid. يعني, someone came to you and he is praying the 5 prayers, alhamdulillah, he's praying the masjid, he's giving zakah, he's fasting Ramadan, he did hajj, طيب, alhamdulillah. But, for example, he doesn't have beard, he's smoking cigarettes, okay, طيب, can you accept this as a husband? You can accept, but we will not recommend. We will not recommend. We'll recommend someone, the Prophet ﷺ said, Dina wa khuluqah. Okay, we should take care of these 2 points, the religion and the behavior. Okay, that he's doing the wajib and he's avoiding the haram. And also his behavior, his attitude is good. So again, I will not say the marriage is not valid. No, the marriage is valid. And maybe after marriage you will be happy with him. He will do the wajib and he will avoid the haram. But there will be a risk that some sisters, there is a good brother, alhamdulillah, he is praying, but he is smoking. She will say, okay, no problem, inshallah, I will advise him and he will leave smoking, but at least he is very kind. But after marriage, she is suffering because he is smoking. At the beginning, okay, maybe at the beginning he's not smoking at home, or always he's smoking outside. But with time and life, khalas, he will get bored. He will smoke with you inside the car. You accept, you refuse, khalas, yalla. And later when you have children, also the children will suffer. Okay, so we should try our best to follow the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you are, إذا أتاكم من ترضون دينه وخلقه, if you accept his religion, you accept his behavior, his manners.